These timeless sayings of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, are not just words. They are guiding lights, offering wisdom, mercy, and strength for anyone seeking truth, peace, and purpose in life. 1. The strongest person is not the one who defeats others, but the one who controls himself when anger rises. 2. A moment of honesty can save you from a lifetime of regret. 3. The best of you are those who are best to their family. 4. Kindness is a mark of faith. Whoever is not kind has no faith. 5. Give people hope, even if your own heart is breaking. 6. Silence can be worship when your words have the power to wound. 7. Whoever walks with the oppressed, Allah will walk with him on the day of judgment. 8. The most complete in faith are those with the best character. 9. He who sleeps full while his neighbor is hungry is not from us. 10. Live in this world as if you were a traveler. These profound sayings of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, remind us to live with kindness, patience, and humility. May we embody these teachings in our daily lives, striving to strengthen our faith and character.